Ready to turn in your lease? Here's 45 seconds on how to make it happen. With many leases, there's an early termination option. There may be a fee, but check with the Folsom Auto Mall. Sometimes that fee can be waived, especially if you lease a vehicle from that dealership. Another option to get out of your lease is a lease transfer. The laws vary from state to state, but you may be able to transfer your lease to someone who might want to take over the payments on your vehicle. If you really love your vehicle, quit making lease payments and just buy out your lease. Most lease agreements have a pre-negotiated buyout price. You can pay the balance in cash or possibly finance it, but either way, you could possibly own your vehicle and won't have to worry about wear and tear fees or mileage overage. Finally, you might explore trading in your lease, even if you have payments left on your term. Many dealerships, including those at Folsom Auto Mall, would be happy to negotiate a deal where you could turn in your lease early and upgrade to a newer vehicle for a similar payment. So if you're ready to get out of your lease, visit us at the Folsom Auto Mall to discuss your options.